Let's talk about garlic. This ancient superfood has some seriously impressive modern health benefits. You know, even Hippocrates, the father of medicine, was a fan. He actually prescribed garlic. So what's the secret sauce? It's these sulfur compounds. They only get activated when you chop or crush it. Okay, first up, heart and brain health. Two massive areas where garlic can really make a difference. Get this, studies show garlic supplements can actually lower high blood pressure. Pretty amazing, right? That drop in blood pressure could mean a 16 to 40% lower risk of things like heart attacks. And what's wild is that its effect is similar to some prescription drugs, but with fewer side effects. But it doesn't stop at blood pressure. Garlic also goes after your cholesterol levels. Just a couple months on garlic supplements can lower that bad LDL cholesterol by up to 10%. So that's your heart. Now, what about your brain? Turns out, garlic's antioxidants are key here. These antioxidants help protect your brain cells from damage, potentially lowering the risk of dementia. And there's more. Garlic's benefits don't stop with your heart and brain. It helps your whole body. Think cold and flu season. A little garlic might help you fight off those bugs. And listen up, ladies, it shows real promise for supporting bone health, especially after menopause. Here's a cool one. Those sulfur compounds, they can actually help your body detox from heavy metals. One study found garlic cut lead levels in the blood by a whopping 19%. Okay, if you want the biggest health boost, you have to know this simple 10-minute rule. And it's so easy to add to your diet. Think dressings, sauces, soups, you name it. But hold on. Before you go all in on garlic, there are a few important things to know. Seriously, if you have a bleeding disorder or take blood thinners, please talk to your doctor first. So, the big question is, can all of this actually help you live longer? Well, by fighting off both chronic and infectious diseases, it definitely helps support a longer life. Really makes you wonder, what other superfoods are hiding in plain sight in our kitchens?